Wash. He washes the dirty dishes after meals. Sweep. I sweep the dusty floor before mopping. Wake up. I wake up at sunrise every morning. Brush. She brushes her teeth for 2 minutes. Change. They change their bed sheets on Saturdays. Rest. We rest on the sofa for 10 minutes. Mop. She mops the kitchen after cooking. Dust. He dusts all the shelves once a week. Organize. They organize the garage every spring. Tidy up. We tidy up the playroom before bedtime. Fold. She folds warm laundry while watching TV. Iron. He irons wrinkled shirts on Sunday nights. Hang up. I hang up wet towels to dry. Rinse. You rinse fresh fruit under cold water. Load. You load dirty plates into the dishwasher. Wipe. You wipe sticky counters with a cloth. Repair. I repair broken toys with tools. Replace. She replaces burnt-out light bulbs immediately. Water. He waters the plants every evening. Lock. You lock the front door securely each night. Thanks for watching. If you liked the content, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.